I'm Nissim, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Entitle. When we started Entitle, we were all security engineers, and we saw that one of the biggest challenges in security is still identity. And that was weird to us because identity is not a new problem. But with the proliferation of cloud resources, we realized that there are a lot of new challenges in tackling and addressing the granularity and centralizing many different platforms into one centralized permission management platform, but also an opportunity to provide an out-of-the-box solution where a lot of companies were developing their own niche solutions. And so we were able to come in with a more productized approach that was able to solve a wide set of problems and challenges in one centralized solution. And those different cloud resources, we built out integrations with tens and later hundreds of applications to basically be able to research and understand what the permission management structure inside these different applications was, and then create a unified approach that allowed us to provision and deprovision permissions, whether it's in your AWS or GCP or Azure environments, databases, SaaS services, corporate SaaS services, dev environments. It didn't really matter. One of the biggest challenges that we're looking to address with Entitle is the ability of security teams to define who has access to what. And one of the reasons that's so hard is that permission management is not only a security issue, it's a business problem. Defining who's allowed to get access to what is not a CISO decision, it's a business decision. And the question was, how do we create an approach which enables the business to make a security conscious decision on who's allowed to get access to what? And there are many different approaches that we took in this. One of the core pillars of that is creating a flexible platform that enabled security teams to define what the risk appetite was of different entitlements, and being able to basically say, for high sensitivity resources that are associated with a high risk person for many different reasons, then that together would mean that there would need to be more governance involved in how they got that privilege. Whereas on the other hand, if someone was just trying to go about doing their day-to-day job, they probably shouldn't be impeded with many different steps in the process. And so that message of being able to both enable the business to drive forward and pursue and work as if they have permissions, but on the other hand, make sure that the places where you really care about who has access, you can really control that and make sure that people don't have what they don't need, really resonated with our customers.